What do you think is the biggest secret to building wealth? Luck? A high-paying job? Or maybe winning the lottery? Let me tell you something shocking. It's none of these. The real magic lies in compounding. Today we're diving into the power of compounding, a force so strong it turned Warren Buffett into a billionaire. And the biggest thing, time is your biggest ally in this process. But every second you wait, you're losing opportunities to grow your wealth. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll learn the exact steps to harness compounding and secure your financial future. And don't worry, this isn't going to feel like a boring finance lecture. Think of it as a cheat code for life. Ready to unlock it? Let's start with the basics. Compounding is when your money starts earning money, and then that money starts earning money. It's growth on top of growth, and it's what separates rich from wealthy. Here's a quick example. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. By the end of year one, you've got $1,100. In year two, you don't just earn another $100, you earn $110 because you're now earning on $1,100. Over time, this snowball effect becomes unstoppable. But here's the catch, not all compounding journeys are created equal. Let me show you why starting early makes all the difference. Time is the secret ingredient in compounding. Let me paint a picture. Imagine two people, Alex and Sam. Alex starts investing $200 a month at age 25 and stops at 35. Sam starts at 35 and invests the same $200 a month until 65. Guess who ends up with more money? Alex. Even though Alex invested for only 10 years, starting early allowed their money to grow exponentially. Sam, they'll have to work 3 times harder to catch up. Now ask yourself, do you want to be Alex or Sam? Every day you delay, you're leaving money on the table. Or think of it this way, would you rather be paid $1 million up front, or get a penny that doubles every day for a month? Spoiler alert, the penny wins. Crazy, right? But time isn't the only factor. There's another piece of the puzzle that can supercharge your compounding journey: consistency. Consistency is the engine that drives compounding. It's not about how much you start with, it's about sticking with the process. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't see results after one workout, but show up consistently. And over time, the transformation is undeniable. Here's the key: automate your investments. Set up a monthly contribution to your retirement account or an index fund. This way, your money grows while you focus on other things. Because let's be real, if you have to manually invest every month, how often are you going to forget and spend it on something else? Yeah, we've all been there. Consistency is powerful, but there's one more piece of the puzzle: the rate of return. Let's talk about how to maximize it. Not all investments are created equal. To make compounding work for you, you need to focus on investments that offer steady, long-term growth. Here's a breakdown: stocks and index funds. Historically, the stock market has delivered around 8 to 10% annual returns. Over decades, this can turn modest contributions into substantial wealth. Real estate. Property appreciates over time and can provide rental income, a double win. Reinvested dividends. Let your earnings generate even more earnings. The right investments can mean the difference between retiring comfortably and struggling to make ends meet. But remember, compounding also works against you if you're carrying high-interest debt. So before you invest, tackle those credit card balances. And now for the big question: how much do you need to get started? You'll be surprised at the answer. You don't need a 6-figure salary or a massive windfall to start compounding. Even $50 a month can grow into a significant sum over time. Here's a real-world example. If you invest $100 a month at a 10% return starting at age 20, you'll have over $380,000 by age 60. Wait until age 30 to start. You'll end up with just $226,000. See how waiting even a little can cost you a lot. It's like ordering a pizza and then complaining when it arrives cold. Your goal today: start something. Open that account, automate your savings, and let time do the heavy lifting. Compounding is the most powerful tool in your financial arsenal. It's how you turn small, consistent actions into life-changing results. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. So what's stopping you? Your future self is waiting, and they're hoping you make the right decision today. But here's the thing: compounding doesn't work without one essential ingredient: consistency. If you're struggling to stay consistent in your habits, goals, or financial plans, don't worry. Subscribe my channel to watch my next video on the secret to staying consistent: 5 steps to achieve your goals. It's time to master the habits that lead to success.